Good afternoon. I'm Storm Center 7 Chief Meteorologist McCall Vrydaghs breaking into programming because a severe thunderstorm warning has just been issued by the National Weather Service. I am here as well as meteorologist Austin Cheney, and we're going to be tracking these thunderstorms as we continue through the afternoon. This is just the beginning of a very active next few hours. So just make sure you stay here on Channel 7. We'll be breaking in throughout the afternoon and early evening as these warnings continue to be issued by the Weather Service. Now, the thunderstorm that we're watching very closely right now is between Eaton and Gratis. This thunderstorm just to the southwest of West Alexandria has the potential of producing hail. We had reports of dime-sized hail. It is enough that it can create damage, and why the Weather Service has issued this severe thunderstorm warning. Now, this storm itself is moving at 40 miles per hour to the east-northeast. So Dadsville, Enterprise, up toward Trotwood, New Lebanon, and Clayton, you are in the path of this thunderstorm that is capable of producing some large hail. It also may bring about severe damaging wind gusts as well. So as the storm is moving through, it could certainly create damage based on straight line winds. At this point, I am not seeing any rotational factor with this thunderstorm, so I don't see a concern of it becoming tornadic. But that said, there is a tornado watch in the southern and eastern part of the Miami Valley. So we're going to continue to watch any of these thunderstorms that you see as we zoom out to potentially rotate. Big picture view across the Miami Valley, you have this severe thunderstorm warning, and if you look at how large the warning is, just goes to show that there is a possibility that any of these storms within this warning could intensify rather quickly, as it's covering 1, 2, 3, 4 counties, and that warning goes until 4 o'clock this afternoon. What you see shaded in red here, that is the tornado watch box, so you can see from Troy to Lebanon to Wilmington and Springfield, there is a tornado watch in place. That means conditions are favorable for some thunderstorms to become tornadic, to become rotational and potentially produce that tornado. We have not been worked over from Xenia to Lebanon and to Wilmington, so there is a lot of energy there to support some of these stronger thunderstorms. Likely we're dealing with some very heavy rain moving into the Dayton area. I did hear some rumbles of thunder outside the window. Miamisburg, some very heavy rain, as well as New Lebanon. Meteorologist Austin Cheney now putting on a hail tracker, and this shows the hail core as this thunderstorm has been moving to the east-northeast. So from Camden to West Alexandria, we have seen a hail core tracking all the way to the east-northeast. It's crossed over 127 just to the northwest of Gratis, moving into West Alexandria as we speak, and then it's going to be entering Montgomery County. We are looking at that thunderstorm and many other storms as we continue through the afternoon. So just a little recap before we send you back to programming. There is a severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect until 4 o'clock this afternoon for this thunderstorm in particular, moving right between Eaton and Gratis and now moving into West Alexandria as it lifts to the east-northeast at about 40 miles per hour. If we see any additional severe thunderstorm warnings or tornado warnings issued, we will be sure to cut in right here on Channel 7. We're also going to be breaking in at 4 o'clock this afternoon with an update regardless of any warnings issued, and of course we will join you back here at 5 o'clock through 6:30 as we track these storms through the evening. For now, we'll send you back to programming.